How's it going? Just down here at Meola. Well, where we're at, but it's Meola. Fishing the river today. Trout. That's my brother. That's his dad. Fish on. Not mine, obviously. Wee trout. This is where you will catch fish. Instead of standing at the sea all day and catch nothing. So yeah, I'll be back whenever I catch something myself.
Where are you casting at?
Out in front.
Huh?
Out in front.
Cast the other side near that.
One wee tiny one. So, like you've probably seen there, we trout, wee brown trout. Probably about 6 inches, maybe a wee bit more. So, yep, lost 2 hooks, 2 weights already. Another wee brown trout caught in the lip.
That's how you eat.
This man caught a decent fish. Decent dolly, possibly. You might have to let some slack out. That's the fish that followed you. So it is. He's in there outside, Ricky. He's not ready to come in yet. It's not deep in there. That's a good size. That's my hand compared to that fish. What a brilliant fish. Not mine, folks. That boy's there.
Alright, Mr. Hasson's.
We'll get a snap line here and then we'll get a release.
I can see the line on us.
Great fish. You got to release him. So, I don't know if there was a release off the fish, but safely released back to its home.
What did you just say?
Safely released back to its home. So
You said you don't know if there was a safe release or not.
no, I don't know if there's a clip. So if you don't see a clip of any of us releasing the fish, the fish is released back. That was a dolly. Dolligan. They're from Loch Ness. They come down the stretch of this river. So they do. Look at that. I think it was just the bottom. Sand in there. So yeah, we're fishing the river Meola. comes down from Tobermore, Lockney direction, and that was Greg, the professional, that caught that dolphin. I think you are. You let on as if you're just a new fisherman, but so we've all caught fish. 2 of mine I never landed. 1 I did, which he will. Sorry, did I catch 2? I landed 2. Decent one, and then 1 down there. So I've landed 2 and lost 2. But yeah, hopefully we get a few more fish for you folks. Another one bites the dust. It's the wee one. Wee brown trout again. That's away. So we've had quite a few wee fish, big fish, decent ones. So we have still fishing away here anyway. Still sitting out there, proud.
He came off there and he's down there.
This is the river, folks. We're on the River Meola. So it is. So that's the crack. It's nice and calm here today. It's not blowy. It's not raining. All that stuff. Rod I'm using today. This man's using this rod, and the other guy's using that setup. Don't know how well this is going to pan out, so I'll have fun editing it. So, alright, I'll be back whenever I get a fish, folks, or any of us get a fish. That's us packing up now, folks. No more fish. A couple of wee trout just, and that was it. My brother and his dad caught them. Oh. Water's dropped a bit now, so let's see. Was, you know, you couldn't see that bit down there. So it's dropped a great bit now. So if these guys haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and maybe see me fishing with these 2 again.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know.
Folks, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe, and drop us a wee comment.
Greatness.